Are you relying on your 401k for a wealthy retirement? Think again. Many believe this plan is their only ticket to financial freedom. But what if it's not enough? Today, we uncover the untold truths behind your 401k. Hidden fees, unexpected taxes, and flawed math can stand in your way. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about hidden fees. Many 401k plans come with management fees. These can quietly eat away at your earnings. Even a small percentage can lead to huge losses over time. Always check your plan's fees and understand their impact. Next, we look at taxes. Your 401k contributions are tax-deferred. This sounds great, right? However, when you withdraw funds, you'll pay taxes then. For many, this can mean a hefty tax bill in retirement. Plan ahead to avoid surprises. Now let's clarify retirement math. Many folks think they need a few million saved. But that's not realistic for everyone. It's essential to calculate how much you'll need based on your lifestyle. Understand your expenses and potential healthcare costs. So what can smart Americans do alongside their 401k? Diversification is key. Consider opening a Roth IRA. This allows for tax-free withdrawals in retirement. You're paying taxes now, but this can save you in the long run. Real estate is another excellent option. Investing in property provides passive income. This can greatly boost your retirement funds. Imagine receiving rent checks while you enjoy your retirement. Stocks and bonds might also be part of your strategy. Investing in index funds can yield strong returns. Diversifying your investments helps protect against market fluctuations. Let's take a recap. Your 401k has its limitations. Hidden fees and taxes can lessen your savings. The math doesn't always add up as expected. Think outside the box. Explore options like Roth IRAs, real estate, and stocks. To build wealth, you need strategies beyond a 401k. It's all about smart decisions today for a wealthy tomorrow. So, take a look at your retirement plan and adjust accordingly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. Join our community for more insights. Together, let's make smart financial moves for the future. Thank you for watching.